that a tornado? Or is that just a big wind?
I don't know.
Big wind. Damn. Holy shit.
They blew the cones over.
No shit.
Yes, we got some new cones there on the driveway.
Damn. You see that last bit? What's it? Lauren, we're staying right up front.
There's a drop in the cloud. She pointed out to me there's a drop in the cloud, and all of a sudden got that burst of wind.
Yeah, it just went right through. I was like, wow, is this going to be a tornado?
He got my whole front car in the garage.
Hell yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm keeping those cones.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh God, it's like this. It's like this. Look.
I saw it. We're sitting here watching it.
Oh, man.
On the side. What?
Fucking lilac bush.
Did it fall over?
Where's it at?
I would too, but Evo keeps comes out with me. There's another one. Damn. Holy shit. Wow. Not very sure. That power went out twice and it comes back on. And everything goes off and it comes back on.
I just heard right by the house.
Yeah, we're gonna die now. God.
It's going. It's right here on the house. I just heard it go right by the house.
Son of a bitch.
The power goes. No, right there beside the house here. I just heard.
Shut the door! Something's going. Another electrical.
Right over there. I just heard that when I come
Oh,
on.
damn it, man. Fuck!
Wow.
Yeah, this is wonderful. In a million fucking degrees.
Oh, thank you.
Might as well shut it now.
That's tornado weather right there.
Look at my twice
my
like you
plants
hear it
were right outdoors.
because everything
Get laying right in front of the tree.
Yep.
When you heard the noise and everything, I was like, wow. Is that
Holy shit, dude. My God, my dad's girlfriend came along. I'm worried for my dad now while I'm driving to work and shit. Is somebody picking him up?
Oh,
Oh, that's cool.
we've got slim hanging down.
Yeah.
Right there.
You should have seen all the construction carriers coming. Oh shit. All the construction carriers started coming to the garage, someone was pooping.
God, man.
Wow.
This is bad.
I want to go drive. That's cool. Just go investigate.
That's a big gust of wind.
I don't know if your car's gonna be all right there, Nick. You see those trees leaning over?
Oh, fuck that.
No, just wait. They ain't gonna fall yet. Watch. Just watch.
It don't matter, dude.
Yeah.
Leave it right
I don't
here.
think them pine trees are going nowhere.
Did you see when that wind hit it?
These trees that we're
Did
worried
you see when the
about.
wind hit it?
What, yeah?
Yeah, those trees. I got a video.
My car fucking Walmart. They're fucking kidding.
You ready to get the hell out of Dodge here, dude?
There's those two bikes we saw at
Watch
Walmart.
those trees, Nick.
Look at that power pole across the house. Leaning. Damn, it's swaying.
Wow.
No, but watch when the big wind
Oh
hits
my
it.
God.
That's a strong.
Wait till it hits a big gust of wind.
Moving that pole.
I don't have any service. That's crazy. See how they're moving like east or whatever? They were moving that way.
They was moving this way.
They were moving that way.
No, they was moving that way too.
Oh, they were at the power. The power even went out across the street. Guys, my cell phone just said, please try your call again later.
Wow.
I want to go move my fucking
Every
car.
power at Murphy's just went out too.
I'm not liking that my car is under trees.
There ain't nothing you can do.
No fucking shit, I could park the motherfucker at Walmart.
You could do that. Don't fucking
Right.
raise your
I think
voice
that's working at Walmart, Bob.
Instead of yelling at everybody else, right? I'm the same.
I ain't got insurance or nothing.
The insurance wouldn't cover that anyway.
Tree hits my car, I'm fucked.
No, you're not. I'm sure Johnny's got renter's insurance.
Jamie, you might
He's got to have homeowner's insurance.
Jamie,
He owns all these houses.
Jamie, can you turn off your air conditioner where it's blowing in and out? It'll blow your fuse. Remember last year?
All right, Mr. Chris, back it.
I'm going.
This fucking
fucking suck.
I'll have to start buying them again. I don't like that.
I want to go outside.